Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 4 ways to use the aggregate method in the MongoDB database. Number 1, say you wanted to calculate the count of documents by state. To do that, you can use the sum expression with the aggregate method. Here, I'm also using the group operator to group the result by state. Number 2, you can also use the sum expression to calculate the total sum of property sizes grouped by state. Number 3, min, max, and average expressions also work with the aggregate method. On line 9, I'm calculating the minimum property size and grouping the result by subdivision. On line 10, I'm calculating the maximum size by subdivision. And on line 11, I'm calculating the average size in acres and grouping the result by subdivision. Last but not the least, number 4, you can use an aggregation pipeline with multiple stages. In this example, I'm first using the match operator to filter out the documents where the state is equal to New Mexico. Next, I'm using the group operator to calculate the sum of all property sizes grouped by subdivision. Finally, I'm using the sort operator to sort the result set by total size in a descending order. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.